Hello everyone, welcome back to WPGeoBuddy. Today in this series, we are going to show you how you can edit GeoDirectory archive, single and archive item templates with Elementor Pro. Well, as you can see here, Elementor, if you have the Pro version, you will see the theme builder option here. You can click directly on that. So before that, let us show you our front end ones to see how our archive page, single page and archive item look right now. Let's go straight to places. Then, guys, you will see that the listing looks something like this, and there is a map at the bottom. If we click on a listing, and each one of these listings, these are called items, right? We will show you how to edit all of them. Right now, this single page looks like this in a basic format. We will show you how to edit it using Elementor. We have come inside the theme builder. Then, look, we should have come here to GD archive. Right. So we will simply select archive here. After that, we click on add new. Now look, guys, we will prepare for the basic archive here. Click on the plus icon to take a section first. In the first section, we will add the GD block by searching for it. We will add this GD search here. After that, we will take one or two more sections below. In the left section, we will add the loop block, the GD block. This is where our listing will appear. Then we will add the map in the right block. Right, we will take this map from here and drag it in. We will come to the map options. Then we will set its height to 100. Then we click on publish and add it to the condition for the places archive. Then we will save and close. After that, you will see that it looks like this when we click on the archive page in places. So our archive is not set yet. So let's do one thing. Let's come to settings. After coming here, we will go to permalinks. Then we will reset this permalink once. Click on save changes to save it. Then let's refresh it once again. So guys, look, our archive page now looks like this, where the listing and map are visible. Right, what shall we do now? The single page layout that is currently visible, the default one, we will design it a bit with Elementor. For that, we have to go inside the Elementor theme builder. Then, look guys, the one that is coming up here as single post, we will do the single post, add new here. So then, we will close this. Coming here, we click on the plus icon, and in this plus icon, we will add a slider that will come as post images. Right, we will add post images here. We will come to the design of the post images. Look, single image, gallery, we will keep it as a gallery. By default, you can add any slider. We can add this by clicking on the plus icon. Again, we will take two rows here, and in the left row, we will write single tab. We will add this block here, and for the content that comes in it, we will put head only. Then we will duplicate the same thing and just set it to body. Right, we will set this to body, and in the right one, we will add output location. First, there is an author action which can add, edit, and delete a listing. Right, here we will add the author action button. Then, below this, we use this output location block to show the listing details and all that. Right, so look guys, you will see this output location here. Right, so now we will publish it. In the condition, we will set it to all places for places. We have saved and closed it. After that, what did we do? We came to the front end and refreshed the single page. Now it will change. Look guys, boom! Now look, we set the gallery here. That's why these images are coming in a gallery type. Now if we change this, if we come here to post images and come to design, if we add a slider instead of a gallery here, it will look different. The slider will keep moving, and after that, you will see that our content looks like this. So let's give it some padding and margin. Right. Meaning let's set its width a bit. For example, let's say I came to the flexbox in style, came to layout. After coming to layout, I came to size. Then we will keep its width at 1200. Right. Then we will justify the content of its layout like this. Then we will publish it. After that, we will come to the single page and refresh the page. Look guys, now it is in a slider. We have added a slider. That's why it is coming like this. We will show 2 or 3 images in the slider like this. For example, let's set the image show limit to 3 images. Then we will publish it. After that, we will come to the front end. Then look guys, these 3 sliders are coming and our single page looks so good. Right, we will click on photos. Photos will be visible. If we click on map, the map will be visible. If we click on reviews, the review will be visible. So if you want to show this in a list, there is a formula for that too. Click on this post single tab. Then click on the show list view option in it. Then go to the single page and refresh the page. Page is refreshing. Now look guys, it is appearing in a list format. Right, it looks much better now. So let's do this. We will call the listing item of the archive page the GD archive item. What do you need to do for this? For this, you simply need to go to the GeoDirectory settings. Then you need to go to pages. Then look guys, here you need to click on action in the archive item page. Click on edit page. Then look, the default GeoDirectory shortcode for the item is already placed here. We will click on edit with Elementor to edit it. Click on Elementor. Right, then you can create your own custom archive item here. Heading, images, favorite icon. Right, I will show you all of this now. Now, what shall we do with the default one that is appearing here? Right, let's leave this as it is for now. We can delete it later. Right, by clicking on the plus icon, inside a main section, we can add our post images. Right, we can add post images like this. Right after that, we can add things like the favorite post, favorites, and so on. After that, we can add badges to it. Right, such as a featured badge or a verified badge. So for all these things, we can design the archive item through custom Elementor, which you can display in the archive item. So that was how we can create a basic template layout with Elementor. We have shown you that if you want to edit directly from the pages within the GeoDirectory settings using Elementor, you can edit from there as well. If you want to create it via template, you will need Elementor Pro, which we will put in the video's description box. So that's all for today's video. We also provide directory website development and consultation services. If you want any help related to directory website, you can book our free 30-minute consultation call with our experts. Link is in the description. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you soon in next video.